Welcome to this beginner's guide to using Cash App, a popular peer-to-peer payment service developed by Square. To get started, you need to download and install the Cash App on your mobile device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have installed the app, you need to create an account. To do this, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password and verify your account through a confirmation email or text message. After verifying your account, you can link your bank account or debit card to the app. This will allow you to add and withdraw funds from your Cash App account. To link your bank account or debit card, you will need to provide the account and routing numbers or the debit card number, expiration date, and security code. To send money using Cash App, you need to tap the Send button and enter the amount you want to send. You can then enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or Cash App username. You can also add a note to the payment to let the recipient know what the payment is for. To receive money, you just need to provide the sender with your email address, phone number, or Cash App username. You can also request money from someone by tapping the Request button and entering their email address, phone number, or Cash App username. Cash App also offers a number of other features, including the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and get a debit card. The debit card, known as the Cash Card, allows you to use your Cash App balance to make purchases online and in stores. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also be careful when sending money to make sure you are sending it to the right person. If you have any issues with your account, you can contact Cash App support for help. In conclusion, using Cash App is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily send and receive money using the app. Remember to always use caution when sending money and to keep your account information secure.